WBS is a nationwide educational provider with over 270 locations in Germany and offers subsidized professional training in many areas from nursing, payroll accounting, and also many topics from the technology sector. Here the topics are PLC programming, CNC programming, electrical design, and also welding with virtual welding. Especially in the area of welding, we have noticed that there is a very high demand for skilled workers, but we have also found that the willingness to learn welding is not as great as we initially assumed. However, virtual training can help us here. We started using the Soldamatic devices in the year 2021 and initially purchased 10 devices, deploying them as suggested to us. In other words, we had them in our welding workshop and the participants first welded virtually and then welded in reality. The absence from home was a big problem, so we couldn't find enough participants, and then we moved on to shipping these devices. This means we were able to ship 8 devices, as the trainer needs 1 device, and of course we had to keep a spare device for possible failures. This year we decided to exchange the devices or acquire 5 new ones because the demand is simply so high. The participant numbers have significantly increased, so we also need the devices to accommodate more participants and continue to provide welding training.
Hello, my name is Joachim Geratsch. I am a sales engineer at Seabery. I am responsible for the installations and training of the Soldamatic systems. With the new technology, it is very important that the trainers know how to make the most out of the system. That's why we offer a Train the Trainer program. In the case of WBS Training, we have installed 15 new systems here today, generation 5.0, with new components and the current DVS courses. The systems are used throughout Germany, and that's why it's extremely important that the trainers and instructors know exactly how to utilize the systems effectively. With the exchange program to Soldamatic 5.0, we get improved hardware. It is more robust and offers better components as well as increased efficiency. The simulation reaches a whole new dimension thanks to HyperReal-SIM and offers the most realistic welding experience possible. The analysis module now also offers the cross-section. This allows the representation of the mechanical resistance at any point of the weld seam.
The biggest advantage of the devices is that participants become motivated to weld for real. This is an experience that has only become really known in the last few months. We weld virtually for 4 weeks straight, and the trainer notices that in the second to last week the participants already want to weld for real. And when they come to our welding workshop, the motivation is so high that they are also focused. Welding and getting minimally distracted, that is currently the greatest advantage of the devices for us. To practice the manual skills, to get to know the welding processes, and to gain an idea of what it means to be able to weld different processes in various positions and seams, and to practice this without the dangers of real welding like burns, without material costs, and without energy consumption continuously over 20 days.